Okay, let's establish what we know. First of all, okay, we have 3 random variables at work. Okay, so C of I, contestant chooses door I. And then we have, thank you, we have G of I, where the gold is behind door I. And then finally we have HY. Host reveals door I.
Okay.
So let's list out whatever we know so far. So the probability behind the contestant choosing any door,
that's equal to a third.
Yeah, there's 3 of them.
There are 3 doors. The contestant randomly chooses one door, and the probability of that is choosing one particular door is 1/3.
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
Probability of the gold being behind door I.
That's also equal to a third.
Right.
Okay. Simple enough.
And their joint probability. So probability of gold being behind door I and contestant choosing door I. So does that look like a C? Here.
Okay. Yeah, here. Let's make sure that this is really clear. So it's the P of GI and P of CI. Yeah. Okay. So this joint probability. So the gold and the contestant don't know each other. The contestant doesn't know where the gold is, and the gold is an inanimate object, so the gold doesn't know what the contestant's thinking. These 2 are clearly 2 independent variables.
Yeah.
And so the joint probability between these 2 should be just the product of the marginal probabilities.
Exactly. So product of probability. There you go.
Okay.
So we have that. I think we might need a little more space.
That's okay. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
So now let's look at the conditional probability. So what is the probability that the host? So let's go with the original parameters that the contestant will choose door 1, and the host will reveal door 3. Let's just work with that.
Yeah.
So what is the probability of the host revealing door 3, given that the gold is behind door 1 and the contestant chose door 1?
Okay. So if the contestant chose door 1, then the host has to open a door that reveals trash, which could be any of the 2 remaining doors because the gold is behind door number 1.
Right.
So if the host wants to choose door number 3, that would just be 1/2. The probability is just 1/2.
Okay. All right.
There are 2 choices. The host can choose either door, so it's 1/2. Okay?
Now, what is the probability of the host choosing or revealing door 3, given that the gold is behind door 2 and we still chose door 1?
Okay, so the contestant chooses door number 1. The gold is behind door number 2, and the host has to reveal a door that contains trash. Now, the host can't reveal the door that the contestant already chose, and the host can't reveal the door that has the gold. So there's only one possibility here, and that's door number 3. And so the probability of this is 1.
Now, what is the probability of the host choosing door 3, given that the gold is behind door 3 and we chose door 1?
Okay, so the contestant chose door number 1, and the host has to open a door that shows trash.
Yeah.
But since the gold is behind door number 3, the host can't open door number 3. So this probability has to be 0.
All right.
Okay.
And finally, regardless of wherever the goal is, what is the probability the host reveals door 3, given that the contestant chose door 1?
Okay. So if the host doesn't know where the gold is, or if the host is opening one of the 2 remaining doors randomly,
Yeah.
there are 2 doors, doesn't matter which one has the trash, which one has the gold. The host is just opening one of the 2 remaining doors randomly. What's the probability that he's going to choose door number 3? That probability is 1/2.
So regardless of wherever the goal is, this time the host is choosing at random.
Right.
Before, he had to reveal a door that the contestant didn't choose, and it has to have trash behind it.
Right.
So we have that, but over here is just 50-50.
Right.
So
okay,
with all this information, let's try to figure out the probability of getting a prize or gold if you switch.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay, let's do that.